Hello everyone, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI with Gops. Knowledge shared equal to knowledge squared. In this video, we are going to see how to connect the SQL Server with Power BI desktop. On my previous video, I demonstrated how to download and import the AdventureWorks sample database to Microsoft SQL Server. So if anyone want to see that, you can go and visit. I will give the link in description and on the card as well. So to continue in that process, in this video, we are going to see how to connect to that particular database. Let's get started. To connect the SQL Server, let's go to Get Data, and here you can select SQL Server, or else in top ribbon also you have the option directly. You can click this SQL Server. So once you click on that, so you need to give server name, database which is optional, and what is the connectivity mode. So whether it's a import mode or direct query mode. Okay, so let's see what is the server name, because while practicing, so it will be our own instance only. So either you can give dot or you can give your server name from your SSMS. So you can give this name as well. The next option is a database. So if you know your database name exactly, so you can give that directly, or else, so if you directly connect the server, so it will show all the databases. From that you need to select the whichever database you want. But in this case, I will give the database name. Now let's connect this in import mode. And if we select this advanced options, so you can give the SQL statement here. So if you want to query and take any particular table with the particular columns, you can write the SQL statement here. Or else if you want to import the entire table, you can directly click import and click on OK. So now here it is showing what and all data we have for that particular database. Right. So just to click on the table whatever you want and just click transform data or load data. So let's click on transform. And this is how the data will be. And you can, if you want, you can expand this. So based on your requirement, you can select whatever columns you want. So once it is done, so just to click on close and apply. So the data will load to Power BI desktop. So you can see the table here and the data here. Okay. So this is how import mode will work. And next option is we have direct query mode, right? So direct query mode, let's see how it is going to work. Let's select direct query mode and just click on OK. So same way it will open that tables. So just select one table and click on load. Once it is loaded, you can see the informations in this right side, but if you go to data field, you will not find that particular table because it's a direct query. So direct query mode data is not going to load to your Power BI desktop. So that is the difference between import mode and direct query mode. So in import mode, all the data will come and sit in your Power BI desktop file, whereas in direct query mode, that is not possible. Okay, and you cannot see the data here. Another important difference between direct query and import mode is, so whenever the data is updated in import mode, you need to refresh manually, whereas in direct query mode, it will update automatically. In this particular scenario, I used both direct query and import mode at once. So that's the reason you are seeing the data table here. But if you are connecting only direct query, this option you will not see. so data will not load to your Power BI file. So this is how we need to connect the Power BI desktop with SQL Server. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new from this video. If so, please like this video, share it with your Power BI friends, and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you very much.